Testing using the Tune button. So far, it's working okay. Now I'm going to use the Mox button. Yep, keying up, unkeying. Oh, it failed. As you'll see, transmit light's on. This LED is off. The transmit LED is off. I'll unkey the Mox, key back up, it failed again. Key up again. Of course, that is in single sideband by doing just the Mox. I'll use a push to talk switch, which is right there. At intermittent, it's an intermittent, well, intermittent. 1, 2, and it seems to be when we get power going into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have approximately 1 watt going into the Neptune. And let's see if I can show that to you. Up here on the watt meter, there we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of course we have no power output other than the low power because the TX light is off. I'll see if I can get it to stay working. And when it works, I'm getting roughly 90 watts of power out of the amplifier. So it's a very intermittent problem, and it failed there. No, all I see is the low power just coming out of the Hermes at the moment. The TX tripped. Okay, end of video.